I finally did it. I did manage to damage one of my watches. Welcome back, fellow watcheteers, to a new video, and today is the day, or it was yesterday, where I finally damaged one of my watches. And to make things worse, it was the absolute favorite one of them all, my trusty, treasured Seiko 5KX. How did I do it? Yeah, it brings me to the video today because as usual I wore it on my way to work, as I do. I wear this one almost daily, and I recently got the new strap coat 316L stainless steel oyster style bracelet, which I was very proud of because this one is very expensive for me. It's about 60 bucks, and yeah, and as I usually do, I ride my skateboard to work. And some of you already start to think what happened. Yeah, I went over a slippery piece of road and the skateboard broke loose and I fell off. 6 years without incident. Now I need to turn that counter back to 0. And yeah, as anyone would do, tried to soften the fall, and I fell on the bracelet. I don't know if you see it here. It is totally scratched up. It is nasty, and fortunately I didn't damage the watch head, because that would be much worse. Bracelets can be replaced, but it's just 2 weeks old, this bracelet, and now it's not ruined, but it's damaged. I tried to sand and polish the scratches out as good as I can. I hope it will be shiny or almost as new once again, and yeah, but it was a sad day because nobody would, no sane person want to damage their watches, and especially not if it is one of the favorite ones in the collection. But this is one thing that got me thinking, and the incident got me thinking. Wearing a 300, 400 euros, Aussie dollars, what have you, watch to work every day, especially if you take your skateboard to work, or generally wear it every day, involves a risk. The risk is always there that you potentially could damage your watch, even beyond repair. Can happen. I don't know if this is going to happen to me, that I once damaged my watch beyond repair, but this is something that makes you sad, because you invested a lot of money in it, you invested a lot of love and care in it, you look after it every day, and then in just 1 second all that is lost, all that is gone, and the watch is damaged. Sometimes damage beyond repair, and this is, I think, the worst thing that could happen. Imagine you got a watch that is like a Tissot Gentleman. It's 500, 600 bucks, and you buy it and you are so excited to have your dream watch, or a watch you was looking for a long time, and then 1 second of not being in the moment, not checking your surroundings, and the watch or the bracelet is smashed. It's damaged, and this is something that got me thinking. And maybe in the future, when I take my skateboard to work, I won't wear this one. I would rather beat up a G-Shock or a another not so expensive watch to preserve this one in its condition, or to not put it in harm's way. But yeah, this is something everyone needs to check for yourself. You need to check for yourself if it is it worth to put your watch at risk. On the other side, if you don't wear your watch, you're not enjoying them. But if you wear them, you're putting them at risk. So you need to find a middle ground. You find a spot where you say, I'm comfortable wearing it, and I also know that you're comfortable wearing it, but also in the same time, yes, I hear you, dog. Your barking is very loud. Really? What do you want to tell me? But in the same time, taking care of it. So you will have it, or you will enjoy it, at least in a few years in the future. At some point, it gets damaged. A watch gets damaged. You walk through the door and you bang it on the door frame, or you open up a drawer and you bang it, because sometimes we lose focus, what we're doing with our surroundings, where our hands are, and a watch gets damaged. But it is sad if it is within a few weeks of getting the new watch or getting the new bracelet, and this is a risk every watch collector has to evaluate. Every watch collector has to be comfortable with the risk he puts his watch in. In my case, I got lucky. The watch head itself isn't damaged, because if it would be, this would be a whole nother video, and I would be lying on the floor crying because I could not afford a new one at this point, because I got other things to do, I got other bills to pay. So I will wear it. I will wear it, of course. I will wear it as often as I can, but I will also make sure that it not gets damaged as easily. I will not wear it on the skateboard. I will wear it when I walk through the park, or when I walk to work. I also sometimes walk to work, because especially if it's raining outside, you can't take the skateboard. It is just too dangerous. But at that times, I will wear that watch, this one. In the other times, I will wear another one, like the Casio CA53W, or the G-Shock 5610, or just another watch where I don't care if it gets scratched, if it gets damaged, if it gets beat up, I can afford to replace it. What are your thoughts about it? What are your thoughts about that topic? Did you ever damage the watch? Did you ever destroy a watch? Was it a particularly valuable watch, or was it just a beater watch? Tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video when we are going to look at my new project. I got two projects on the way right now. One is, as I said in the earlier video, a present for a very special person in my life, and the other one is a mod I will make for myself. It's finally going to be the SNCG mod I always wanted, and I already got the part I needed. So take a look at the videos, take a look at the channel to see when it comes out. I hope it will be out in a few days, and until then, please like, subscribe the video, tell me your thoughts and everything, the rest of it, in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, as always, watch on.